Hi everyone, this is Martins, your newly found friend that specializes in income and wealth creation. If you are a subscriber to this channel, you must have created that millionaire mindset in you by now. It's now the time for you to move to the next phase. But if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe now and turn on the notification bell icon, and I will really appreciate it. Let me quickly appreciate some of my subscribers. Thanks for the subscription. If you want to be celebrated like this, please subscribe and make your comment in the section below. To begin, you must understand that it's challenging to become wealthy and a billionaire if you don't fully understand how to manage your money. To manage your finances, follow this method. 1. Take note of your finances. It's not always easy to handle your finances or make them work for you in order to achieve your goals. The following time, think before you act by asking yourself the following crucial questions. Do you know where your money is being spent? Do you lack significant savings, or do you live paycheck to paycheck? Do you know how to best cut costs in order to save more money or make ends meet? Are you willing to put in extra effort every day to save money or earn $200 quickly or more from home? Some of the questions you must respond to are as follows. Be sincere in your responses. You'll be able to identify your strengths and shortcomings by doing this. 2. Build your plan. Without a plan, you can't erect a park, right? The same justification applies to trying to reach your financial goals. To get there, you need a strategy. When creating your money management strategy, keep the following elements in mind. Establish a budget. Your financial plan is your best ally. You can use it to chart out every cent of your finances. Choose a system that functions for you. There are several of them available. To find out how to make one from scratch, go here. Look for opportunities to make extra money. You can only save so much with your current income and salary. Finding side business ventures that won't interfere too much with your life is one of the best strategies to accumulate wealth. Keep tabs on your spending. No matter how much money you earn, if you don't keep track of your spending, you won't become wealthy. You must ascertain where your money is going and where, if necessary, you can make cuts. Repay your debts. Many of us are in debt. Starting with the bill with the highest interest rate and least amount owed, pay off your debts in order of decreasing your balance. SoFi and Tally are two excellent options for managing your debt. Keep tabs on your net worth. You may determine how far you've come and how much more you still need to do to reach your objective by taking a look at your net worth. You can accomplish it with the aid of a net worth tracker like Capital or Betterment. Please quickly smash the subscribe button, like and tell us what you like about this video. Remember too, that in the first link in the comments section, you can find a mentor for a business that has made hundreds of ordinary people millionaires. Attend the free training and you will be good to go. That takes us to 3. Make savings consistent. When you want to become wealthy, you should focus on conserving money as well as spending it. For additional information on ways to save money, go here. Although achieving millionaire status might involve a variety of factors, including money and investments, it is always preferable to have cash on hand. Why? It's because you'll never know when you'll need to spend money on an unforeseen expense. You may live comfortably both now and in the future if you set aside enough money. 4. Be persistent. Always persevere in achieving your goal. Nobody will ever be wealthy or a millionaire. Due to the difficulties they encounter when attempting to achieve that goal, some people will try but eventually give up. Be tenacious. Maintain your plan. If reaching a milestone is taking longer than you anticipated, don't give up. It occurs. Keep in mind that if making a lot of money was simple, then many people should be doing so right now. 5. Invest your savings. The essence of saving is not for savings itself. We save money to invest the money. When you invest wisely, you will be able to generate even more money. and you can scale it from being a millionaire to being a billionaire. I have selected the best of my mentors to guide and coach you through the process. Check out the first link in the comments section below. That's my video for today. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. Please subscribe to get the latest way and methods of making money and managing your finance. See you on the other side of success.